We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as saline. It means something containing salt. Saline is how it is said in British English. In American English, however, it is normally said as saline. Saline. You may sometimes hear it even said as saline, which makes it sound a little more like the French pronunciation, since this is a word of French origin. Saline, saline, or saline. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.